CORUS-XUAM is a CESAR 2020 very large demonstration project that is looking at how Airspace services could support integrated urban air mobility flight operations, allowing manned and unmanned airspace users to operate safely and securely in a controlled and fully integrated airspace without undue impact on operations currently managed by air traffic management.
The Italian demo is one of the pieces of the CORUS-XUAM puzzle. The demonstration is focused on urban air mobility operation between two logistics centers. The demo involves a fast cargo fixed wing, piloted aircraft and other drones for specific operations, allowing the involvement of air traffic management and Airspace component, useful to demonstrate coordination for management of urban air mobility traffic. Interoperability, automation are the keys for enabling the urban air mobility in a safe and efficient way.
The demonstration scenarios involve several nodes in the area around the Grottaglie Airport test bed. That is an open-air, user-friendly UAS flight test facility. The Grottaglie Airport test bed is the central hub. A large package starts its trip in a fast aircraft toward the urban hub. The airfield Aero 3, quite near to the city of Manduria, emulates the urban hub. The large package is distributed in a number of small UAS.
The flight is here together with INAV and TechnoSky and DT Apulia and Pipistrel, NICE and EUROCONTROL in the frame of the CORUS-XUAM project, CESAR project for the concept of operation of the European Airspace services and extending them to urban air mobility. The flight is here as the Airspace service provider, and with our applications we are supporting the fly of the drones in the airspace in the nearby the airport of Taranto Grottaglie in a safe manner, fully coordinated with the air traffic control and with a full situation awareness that is provided through our services, showing all the traffic that is moving around the airport, including manned, unmanned, sport aviation and general aviation traffic that is visible through our extended and modular network remote identification system.
The sky is to be considered a real strategic infrastructure, not only for traditional air transport, but for all the various services that interest different airspace. Controlled airspace and Airspace represent two sides of the same coin. They are complementary and require operational and technological interoperability. In the frame of Italian demo, we'll demonstrate also a high priority operation of a flight originated in controlled airspace that need to be executed in Airspace. This triggered the coordination between air traffic service unit and Airspace service provider and related exchange of information between the two sides.
Being a partner of CORUS-XUAM is an incredible opportunity for Pipistrel. From one side, we can collaborate in the development of those services that will enable UAS, including the drones that Pipistrel is developing. From the other side, we can learn how drone operations will affect the airspace and the procedures for general aviation pilots. Indeed, urban air mobility is an opportunity for both manned and unmanned aviation, and this demonstration is a chance to test the coming future.
TechnoSky, as drone operator, is involved in CORUS-XUAM project for the last mile delivery of medical cargo. We are going to operate a mission in beyond visual line of sight mode. We will take off at Manduria airfield and we will land in Manduria city hospital area, performing a route about of 7 kilometers, maintaining an altitude of 200 meters above ground level and a cruise speed of 20 knots.
Within CORUS-XUAM Italian demo, the assessment will be performed considering specific KPIs, namely human performances, safety and security. Data will be gathered by means of questionnaires in order to address the demonstration objective and related success criteria set in the demo plan. The assessment will be conducted in accordance to CESAR methodologies.
Personal Drones is very happy and proud to be part of this project. We strongly think that urban air mobility is the future of transportation, both for people and for goods. Cities are complex scenarios, so it's very important to find the safest and the most efficient way to develop these new opportunities. In our opinion, one of the key points is to achieve a high level on coordination and integration with the other unmanned aircraft and with daily human activities.